Auto Chemicals presents Auton Sealer. Auton Sealer is a single component, moisture curing, durable, weather resistant, flexible, capable to expand and contract up to 30%, waterproof, paintable, strong adhesion with most building substrates and construction material, used in gap up to 50 millimeters, and tough elongation polyurethane sealant for dynamic working joints of building and infrastructure, which reduce your work time, efforts, material loss, labor cost, and maintain quality standards. The purpose and types of sealant. The sealant is a flexible and viscous material that is used between joints and gaps where it does not allow water and air to pass through. There are various silicone, polysulfide, and polyurethane based sealants available in the market for general applications like wall and window frame gaps. However, these sealants are not enough suitable for expansion and contraction of working joints. These expansion and contraction of working joints require tougher and flexible sealant with weather and water resistance qualities. Let's understand first what are the working joints. Joints in bridges, flyovers, concrete roads and tunnels, various precast, subways, canal, industrial floors, cracks on the terrace and walls, and so on are known as working joints. Various construction materials expand and contract according to the temperature changes and move by earthquake, vehicle vibrations, and pressure of tires. Because of these movements, the working joints get damages. These working joints required a tougher sealant, which contains strong adhesion, elongation, flexibility, weather resistance, waterproof, and paintable qualities, and able to bear movements on earthquakes, vehicle vibrations, and the pressure of tires to prevent from the damages. Here, we should know how to maintain the flexibility of sealant. The journal polyurethane sealant is mixed with plasticizers to make it flexible and easy to process. After the construction, journal sealants are also flexible, but after aging, because of harsh weather and UV rays, the plasticizers fluid out to the surface, where without plasticizers, sealants loses its flexibility and convert into hard cracked rubber. The durability of journal polyurethane and modified silicon sealant is shorter, where Auton Sealer single component polyurethane sealants are mixed with evolution type polyurethane polymers to maintain the softness, flexibility, and durability of the rubber for the 4 times longer than journal sealants in exposure area. Moisture, water, and air, etc., also enters into these cracks and damages your precious buildings and infrastructures. Testing process of Auto Chemicals. Auto Chemicals have in-house research and development laboratory and various testing machines to confirm strength and weatherability. Auto Chemicals also testing sealants strength and weatherability in an open area for more than 40 years. According to the Japan Industrial Standard, TF2000 is durable for 20 years and Auton Exceed is durable for 30 years, which is 4 times longer life than journal sealants. The durable sealant is also cost effective. Journal sealant loses its softness, strength, and quality, and working joints required replacement of sealant in short terms. Auton sealer is a flexible, strong, and durable for long period, so it will reduce your efforts, labor cost, and save time and money. Application of sealant. Traditionally, two-component sealants are also used for these purposes, but there are disadvantages like time loss, material loss, quality standard problems, creates bubbles while mixing, no moisture curing, not paintable, and becomes saggy by aging. Where Auton Sealer single component polyurethane sealant is easy to apply. Let's learn the application method of single component polyurethane sealant. This is the working joint that required sealant. First of all, we prepare all the required tools, remove dirt, loose particles, and clean the joint properly. Laying backup materials and leave enough space for sealant. Applying masking tape on joints. Apply the primer properly on the joint and backup material. Now, fill sufficient sealant in the gap. Level the sealant with tools. Remove masking tape just after the application and leave it to get dry. To summarize, Auton Sealer TF2000 and Auton Exceed are moisture curing, durable, flexible, weather resistant, waterproof, can be used in wide gap up to 50 mm, paintable, strong adhesion with most construction material, and tough elongation single component polyurethane sealant.